Alright, kind of a rainy day today, but we're back and we got some goodies today. So let's see, I spent a little more than I usually do, but I think we'll make out alright. Alright guys, let's see what we got.
Guys, got lots of shit today. Got a Sony something.
Sony CD player, compact disc. They go for 30-40 bucks.
A brand new Zenith converter box.
I paid $15 because they have a computer store in here, individually priced up. 15 bucks for it. They go for about 40.
Okay, is it
This
heavy?
receiver I paid $60 for. It's in great condition. Everything seems to work on it. I can sell this one here for about $200.
Oh,
So that was a awesome little find. Heavy. Just an old school Pioneer receiver. Sounds awesome too.
Icy shot glass molds.
I don't know why the hell she got that. She wants to make icy shots.
A Milwaukee set.
Milwaukee. Alright, got everything. Batteries. I don't know if the batteries are good, but you can replace them anyways. But it's worth about $40 to $50. Barbies. Now you notice we always get a lot of Barbies, and I don't really usually say how much they're worth, and that's because I put them in a big lot, depending if they're naked or if they got clothes. Surprisingly, people pay less for naked Barbies. I pay more for naked women, but all right. Anyways,
Bissell hose and handle.
Hose and handle. The handle's worth about 30-35 bucks. The hose is worth about 10-15. Barbies, anyways, we get about $1 a piece out of them. Put them in a big lot.
Zuzus are the same way, about $1 a piece.
And Zuzus about $1 a piece. Some more
laminator.
Laminator, it's worth about $70 to $80.
A Dirt Devil cone back.
Now, if it holds a charge, I'm not really sure, but I'm just taking a chance on it. They go for about 25-30 bucks. Okay.
More Barbies.
And it's kind of rainy, so we're trying to hurry here. More Barbies, $1 a piece there.
A boob.
Oh, check this out. It's a replacement boob.
It's a mastectomy boob.
Mastectomy boob. 30 bucks. Those go for $30 on eBay. It's insane.
A little Oster processor.
Goes to an Oster food center, and we get about 25 bucks a piece out of those things.
Oops. I never even looked at this.
That is a Cuisinart.
That's cracked.
Where?
It's cracked.
What, the bowl?
Yeah.
Alright, so the bowl is not going to be worth anything. We didn't check it out. But the lid, we get about 20 bucks out of the lid, and we get about $10-15 out of the blade, so we're still alright on it. Guitar, you know those, 30 bucks.
Some HP canvas.
This HP canvas, we should be able to get at least $50 out of it. At least 50 bucks. People try to sell them for 100, but I think we get 50.
Stuff for the laminator.
That's stuff for the laminating pouches for the laminator.
Xyron cartridge, because we don't
even know. No, it's just for something we have.
A penis bottle.
Oh, that's I'm gonna put that in my car. It's like, I think it was a tequila bottle.
Nintendo 64 with a controller and a power cord, which is unusual to find them with a power cord.
Yeah, we'll get about 35-40 bucks out of it, maybe a little more.
A Robbie the Robot.
I used to have one of these when I was a kid, and that thing is so cool. Anyways, it's a vintage toy, and it's a little bank, and they go for 25-30 bucks if it works. I'm gonna put a battery in it to see.
A little Sony radio. Sony crap always.
$15 out of the Sony.
Nintendo game.
Nintendo game. A lot, maybe $5, but we'll stick it in a lot of Nintendo games. George Foreman trays, you know I like to get these. Get about 10 bucks out of that, so not bad for a piece of plastic.
Drum pedal.
Drum pedal, we get, how much we get out of drum pedals again?
15 bucks.
15, yeah, about 15 bucks.
CenturyLink modem.
Those, we get about 15 bucks out of.
Some light bulbs.
Those for the house.
So is the Sensi warmer.
And the Sensi warmer, because she couldn't live without it.
It's pretty. What is this for?
I don't know.
I think this went to that.
Steering wheel that we didn't get. Oh well. An extra AC adapter. Woo!
Another extra AC adapter. But that's not a Barbie. Oh, maybe it is.
It's a Barbie.
It's a slut Barbie.
Yeah, I guess so. She got lots of makeup.
Sony charger. And a Sonicare, that's a nice
toothbrush.
one.
Yeah, these, I'll get about $30 out of all this stuff. You'd think a used toothbrush wouldn't sell, but they have replaceable heads on them, so people will buy them for the toothbrush and then they'll get new replaceable heads.
Oh, and
30 bucks. And an
eBay Ice.
eBay Ice goes for,
Pad,
they usually go for around 40-50 bucks.
Yeah.
For those ice deals for when you're injured. But that's it. Alright, so that is what we spent. Let me see if I can focus on it. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. $94.83. And that's, you see my 10% discount on there for a million. Alright guys, so we're going to head home. It's kind of nasty outside anyways. That's everything we found for today. Alright, so now you can see how easy it is to go out there and make some money. And people out, you know how many friends I have that have come up to me and I'm like, hey, let's go do this, let's go do that. And then they go, well, I only got $20 to last me all week. And that's gas and cigarette money if they smoke. Well, take that 20 bucks, go to the thrift store, spend $5, put it on eBay, sell it. Even if you sold the thing cheap, you can get it real quick. You know, you can sell it $5, $10 under what people are selling it for, and it'll go like first day, and boom, you got money. All right, so this is just one of the ways you can go out there and make some money. If it's not for you, that's fine. But if you guys like the videos, again, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comments below. And if you got any questions or anything like that, I'll do my best to answer them. And we'll keep posting videos. Subscribe if you want to keep seeing more. This is Gilldaddy, and I'm out.